Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I was washing my car, and as I was cleaning the wing, I decided to go ahead and make a video on the wing. The wing is one of the items that I get the most questions on. Everyone seems to like it, and as you can see, it fits perfectly with the curvature of the car. I think it looks very good. I think it's one of the best wings out there for the 5th gen Camaros. So today I just want to answer some questions. I pretty much get about every 2 weeks I get one question about the wing, and that's, for me being a small channel, you know, that's a lot of questions of this wing. So I just rather answer it here with the video. It just makes it better and better explanation instead of texting it. By no means I'm tired of it, but just take a look, tell me what you think. I'm gonna go ahead and go through some questions. All right guys, well the first question is, where did I buy it? I bought this wing back in like 2021 on eBay, so that's the reason why I don't have a link or a video for this wing. I saw it on a car that was driving by one day, and I really liked it and enjoyed it, and I wanted it on my car. I was between this one or a ducktail. I'll put that here, right here on the screen. But I decided to go with this one, and I believe I did one of the best decisions in this car, since it does look very good and attractive there. So that's the first question. Now I do want to do a little disclaimer that on eBay now they do sell this picture of, like, for example, this tall one, but they sell a smaller version and it's way cheaper, guys. So make sure you do your research and make sure you get the full size wing, such as this one, not the small one. That's the reason why I don't want to link up any of the wings, because I don't want to link up a little one, you thinking you bought the big one. I would hate to do that to you guys, so there will be no links here in the future either, unless I'm 100% sure it'll be a big one. So do your research and make sure you get the full sized one, because eBay will put those pictures and send you a smaller version. So that is one of the big disclaimers that I keep trying to message and stuff, but again, it's easier just to say it. So that's one, and I'm going to show you right now the process they did to install it. So for this wing, I did have to pay to install it. I did not install it myself. The reason being because the OEM spoiler will leave holes in the middle, run right here, and that is something that I had to get it bondoed out. As you can see right there, it's pretty much bondoed out. They had to repaint everything. So that was done in Mexico. Luckily I'm from Mexico, and luckily it is like 4 hours away from me, so most of my body shop work was done in Mexico. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you where they did the bolts. So they did the bolts right here. They kind of did a little hole. Again, this is the OEM right here, and as you can see, for example, here there's no hose right there, so bonded out pretty good. So those were the OEM. These are the new ones you have to make. And again, it can get pricey, especially here in the USA, because sometimes they do want you to buy a new trunk or bondo, and that is very expensive, which is one of the reasons why I just did it in Mexico, because I got quoted around $1,000 to put this wing in there. I paid $400 in Mexico, so that's a huge difference. The wing cost me like $300, I think, like $280 I want to say, so just rounded down to $300. So this whole setup right here was around $700, which I think is pretty good, because again, they were going to charge me $1,000 just to put it on. So that is the wing. This is the Transformers Edition wing right here. If you want to look it up on Google, do your research, is the Transformers Edition. This of course came with the Transformers Edition for the Transformers movie 2010, I believe. So I did see that OEM. Usually they do come with the same color as the car, and again, since this was a aftermarket, I could pick whatever color I wanted, and of course black is where it was at. So well, there you go guys, that's pretty much all the information about the wing. Small short video. I hope this video helped, and you know, doing some research on that wing, because again, everyone seems to like it and I love it. That is one of the things I really love about the car, is the wing, because it just gets the aggressiveness, as you can see, of the front. So as you can see right here's the front, and we can see the wing popping out over there. but it's popping up perfectly because it's aligning right here. So one of the best wings that I've seen out there. Not the only one by no means. Like I said, I was in between two different ones, but this is the one I opted one for. So anyway guys, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like video like this. This is a short one. Usually I do unboxings and reviews, but sometimes in a while you'll see little videos like this where I just pull up my phone out of nowhere and start recording, and today is one of those days. So anyway guys, I'll see you on the next video.